Hello guys, some of you guys recommend me to verify the security or two-factor authentication. So how to set it? So go to the Chrome or other or app application. So go to Binance.com. Yeah. Okay, so I click login. What? Very slow. Login. Okay. Complete your email and password and log in. Okay, I already logged in my email. So click on here, the profile here. So click on security, and then click on phone number. Phone number. Okay. Enable this. Okay. Choose your country. Where is your country, and then phone number. Okay. This is my phone number. Okay. And you must log in your email too. Make sure it is working. This is another email. Okay, start. Get code. Get code. Okay. Okay, I received my email now. The email is 844970. And here. Okay, hurry up. Okay. Okay, success, you see. Success because you do it fast. If you do it slow, it depends on your very slow. Okay. So verify security or verify phone number is it's done. Yeah. Hope you enjoy this. Please subscribe for the next video. Bye bye.